Has it ever happened to you that you landed a deal just because the client liked your presentation? A presentation is truly an essential part of our lives. Whether you are a student or in a corporate or a creative mind, it all starts with a presentation. To create presentations, people generally use their PCs or laptops. However, these devices are not always available with you, but a phone always is. Making presentations in iPhones can be quite fun, particularly in iPhones owing to Keynote. Keynote is a presentation software application developed by Apple Incorporation. With its powerful tools and dazzling effects, Keynote creates stunning and memorable presentations. Let's see how you can use Keynote on your iPhone. Creating presentations with iPhone. Selecting a theme. The very first step in using Keynote to make your presentation is to select a theme. Once your Keynote page is opened, you have to click on the Create Presentation option. Then select the option titled Themes. A theme is a predefined set of colors, fonts, and visual effects. You apply a theme to your slides for a unified and professional look. You can click on the See All option in the Themes. Post-clicking this, all the themes available in Keynote will appear in front of you. You can choose one according to your requirement. Master and Appearance. Once the theme is selected, the actual edit can start. For this, you need to start by clicking the brush icon in blue, which is at the top of your screen. After clicking it, a tab will be opened from the bottom of your screen. That tab will provide you with two options, Layout and Background. In the Layout option, you will find options regarding the content part of your presentation. It mainly shows you the options for the aesthetics of your text in the presentation. It provides you with the options of selecting font, the styling of the font, the size, the spacing, etc. The Background option deals with the aesthetics of the slide, providing with options of colors and shades. It also provides you with the options of the background. Features. Keynote has some amazing features designed for creating some very impressive presentations. You can get the options for reassigning your text aesthetics by clicking on the blue brush icon on the top in the middle. Once that is clicked, you can choose the font, color, and style of your texts. You can add all the media like photos, videos, tables, charts, etc. after clicking the plus icon. In case you want to add a slide, you need to click on the plus icon beneath your existing slide. Another slide appears immediately. In case you want to copy any text onto your slide, you cannot directly copy it from any source due to copyright issues. However, you need to search Quillbot in Google and click on the first link. The website of Quillbot will appear with a text box. You can paste your copied text in it. Then copy that text and paste it on your Keynote slide. The three dots inside the circle icon on the top right lets you export your presentation and save it on your phone. All these basic features will help you create the best presentations anywhere without any stress. It can really make you shine in your endeavors.